Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my final Thanksgiving inspired recipe. I know it's a little late, but I'm showing you how to make this vegan cream cheese macaroni bake. All you'll need is a pound of macaroni elbows. You'll need 3 tablespoons of a vegan butter. I prefer Earth Balance. You'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese. I've decided I like the Kite Hill brand of vegan cream cheese. You'll need 3 cups of any kind of plant-based milk. I prefer the almond and coconut. And then you'll need 16 ounces of a vegan cheddar cheese. I prefer Dyalla. And then we'll need about a tablespoon of olive oil to grease our casserole dish, a tablespoon of flour, and optional breadcrumbs. And then to season, we're just going to use salt and pepper to taste. We'll start by cooking the pasta according to the package directions, and then go ahead and grease your 9x13 casserole dish with your olive oil. You can use a baster or even your fingers work, honestly. And then we're just going to melt our butter over medium heat in a large skillet. You'll then add your flour and wait until the mixture becomes bubbly. And then slowly add in your milk, stirring after each cup. We'll wait until it's thickened to add the cream cheese. Here's my cooked macaroni pasta. And you're supposed to stir the cream cheese until completely melted, but I had trouble with this, so I added it to my blender while it was warm, and this made it very creamy. Next, you'll add all 16 ounces of that shredded cheddar cheese, mix it all up, add in your salt and pepper, and we're ready to add this mixture to our casserole dish. And then we'll just sprinkle with some breadcrumbs, again optional, but delicious.
En réalité, pas du tout. 4 degrés en plus, cela amène une transformation profonde de notre planète et surtout de nos villes.
Finally, we'll bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And that's it, guys. Here is your final macaroni bake. If you appreciated this video and the recipe I made for you guys, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And of course, I have other similar videos, so check them out.